Hi there, my name is Julia Tikhonova, and I'm 3D artist with experience working on a contract for Dota 2 and took part in the creation of the Arcana of a Vengeful Spirit. I also won first place in Art Bar 5 with a winged character.
Today, I want to share my experience in creating a high-quality game-ready model of wings. In this tutorial, I will explain in detail how to create anatomically accurate wings, from a detailed high-poly model to an optimized game-ready version with high-quality textures. You will learn how to properly balance detail and performance so that the model looks impressive while being as lightweight as possible for in-game use. The course consists of 4 parts: creating the base, the high-poly model, topology and baking, and finally, texturing. Let me briefly explain each stage. In the free introduction, we will talk a bit about the basic anatomy of a bird's wing, which is essential for creating a believable model. The first stage will be creating a reference mesh with planes for feather groups in Blender. I will explain this process in great detail, including all hotkeys and tools, so even beginners will easily understand it. In the second stage, I will show how to use insert mesh on the reference model in ZBrush and build all the wing layers, from the largest feathers to the smallest ones. I'll create symmetry on the wing's shoulder for texture optimization. The third stage involves preparing the model for topology and baking. The goal is to optimize the mesh and textures as much as possible while preserving maximum detail. The fourth and final stage is painting the wing in Substance Painter. I will aim to replicate the texture of a raven's wing with accurate gloss and reflection. After that, I will check the model in Marmoset Toolbag and make necessary texture adjustments. This tutorial includes over 3 hours of pure, focused content with commentary on every step, no filler, just valuable information. You can purchase the tutorial with a full translation in Russian and English and my custom feather brush in my store. If you want to level up your skills and learn how to create professional game-ready models, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.